Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'm going to draw and talk about the character Embarrassment from the movie sequel Inside Out 2. Embarrassment resides with the other emotions in Riley Anderson's mind headquarters. Shy and notably quiet, he often flops onto the console at the first hint of social awkwardness. Using his hoodie as a built-in hideaway, Embarrassment prefers to stay out of the spotlight. Embarrassment is hard to miss due to his enormous size, making him the largest of all the emotions, comparable in size to Bing Bong. He has bright pink skin, small pink eyes, and a notably large, rounded nose that stands out against the size of his head. His magenta pink hair and slightly reddened cheeks add to his distinctive look. His usual outfit includes a light magenta hooded sweater with a drawstring, purple jeans, and red sneakers with white soles. When he feels nervous, his nose and cheeks often blush a dark red. In the book Go to Sleep, Anxiety, Embarrassment is depicted in a fluffy, bright pink bear-themed onesie, complemented by a matching magenta blanket adorned with a white bear head symbol. Embarrassment was initially intended for the first Inside Out film but was cut when the number of emotions was reduced from 27 to just 5. However, this character made a comeback in the sequel as one of the new emotions, adding a fresh dimension to the emotional lineup. Paul's voice acting career includes notable roles such as Elmer in Adult Swim's Aqua Teen Forever, Plantasm, 2022, and Dark in Netflix DreamWorks Animation's Orion and the Dark, 2024. Which coincidentally premiered in the same year as Inside Out 2. Interestingly, Deep Dark Secret, who makes an appearance in Riley's Vault of Secrets, bears a striking resemblance to Dark from the animated film. Just like Joy noticed, Embarrassment has very sweaty hands, a common sign of feeling embarrassed or anxious. His pink coloration symbolizes his emotion, reflecting how people often blush when they feel awkward or embarrassed. Earlier concept art, Embarrassment was initially designed to be blue, and his hoodie featured the phrase, "I'm with stupid." This design choice hints at an earlier idea for the character Shame, who was intended to be part of the movie but was ultimately scrapped. The filmmakers felt that Shame's presence might have been too dark for the story they wanted to tell. Embarrassment stands out among the male emotions with his full haircut, a stark contrast to Fear's solitary strand and Anger's baldness. As the only male among Riley's new teenage emotions, his size reflects the profound sense of being overwhelmed and conspicuous in awkward situations, a feeling that makes one wish to shrink away. One description, it suggested that sadness sees embarrassment, hinting at a budding connection between them. This makes sense, as feeling sad or crying in front of others can often lead to a sense of embarrassment. Their potential kinship symbolizes how these emotions can intertwine and resonate with one another in moments of vulnerability. In Riley's mind, embarrassment and anxiety share the distinction of having the longest names among all the emotions, each with 4 syllables. During Riley's anxiety attack, Embarrassment makes a bold move, charging first into the peril of confronting anxiety's new sense of self, with envy, sadness, and ennui following suit. He appears on the scene before ennui, and by the sequel's conclusion, he has surpassed joy to become the tallest of Riley's emotions. Interestingly, embarrassment is also indirectly mentioned by Riley in Riley's first date, underscoring his presence and significance in her emotional landscape. Hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.